I just bought this massive bone-in ribeye steak for $25, so I'm going to use this as an opportunity to try something that I've never done before. Instead of just cooking the steak in a pan like I usually do, I'm going to try sous videing this steak. What that means is once I seasoned up the steak with a generous amount of salt and pepper, I added it to a bag with some rosemary and some Wagyu beef tallow that I had left over from one of my other experiments. Then I vacuum sealed it up and placed it into a bucket of temperature controlled water at 127 degrees Fahrenheit for 2.5 hours. This wouldn't take 2.5 hours if you use a more reasonably sized steak, but where's the fun in that? Once that time was up, I pulled it out of the bag, patted it dry, and then seared it in a cast iron pan over a high heat. The idea here is that the sous vide should have cooked the steak all the way through, so all we need to do now is sear it. And it should be perfectly cooked in the center. But this is the first time I've ever done this, so I wasn't too sure what to expect. The cook was very consistent throughout the cut of meat, even near the bone, and I honestly feel like this is pretty foolproof, so if I ever need to make multiple steaks at once, I'll probably do this again.